Wake up early, grab a spade. It's plant a tree day, hooray parade. Little seeds and tiny sprouts, let's all help the earth grow out. Dig a hole just right and deep, tuck the roots in for a sleep. Pat the soil and give a cheer. Grow up strong, we're glad you're here. Plant a tree today, help the earth in every way. Roots below and leaves so high, touching sunshine in the sky. Foco, water splashes all around, soaking softly in the ground. Trees are thirsty just like me, drink it up so happily. Birds come singing in the shade, thanking us for trees we made. Branches growing side to side, perfect place for them to hide. Plant a tree today, help the earth in every way. Roots below and leaves so high, touching sunshine in the sky. Leaves go dancing in the breeze, waving hello to all the bees. Buzzing round from flower to tree, making honey happily. Squirrels jump from limb to limb, laughing with their acorn grin. Trees give shade and homes to all, big or little, short or tall.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.